Happy morning to you all, children. I hope all are fine and fit. In the last class, we discussed about multiplication of polynomials. So in that, we discussed about the product of two monomials, product of a monomial and a binomial, and how to multiply a monomial and a trinomial. Now let us do the exercise 6.3. In this exercise you have five mains, and second main is a table which contains three columns. In the first two columns you have two expressions, and third column is product column, and you need to multiply first two columns to get the answer in the third column. I will send the table in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now let me start. Carry out the multiplication of expressions in each of the following pairs. You are given two expressions, right? So 4p into q plus r. So this is the product of a monomial and a binomial. You need to follow the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So 4p into q and 4p into r. So 4p into q is 4pq plus 4p into r is 4pr. Okay. Next. So this is the answer. So this is the final answer. This is a product. Next. AB into A minus B. AB is the monomial. A minus B is the binomial. So you need to multiply. Same rule you are applying. AB into A minus AB into B. So AB into A into A is A square B minus AB into B is AB square. You are following the distributive property. That's all. Next, A plus B into 7A square B square. So this is also same. Okay, here you have the monomial first and the binomial next. Here binomial as the first term and the monomial as the second term. Now let us multiply these two. Let's multiply these two. It is A into 7A square B square plus B into 7A square B square. Okay. A into 7A square B square plus B into 7A square B square. Even you can write this as 7A square B square into A plus 7A square B square into B. You can write in any way, you will get the same answer. So it is 7. A into A square is A cube. A into B square, it is A B square only. So 7A cube B square plus here 7 A square B square into B is B cube. So this is the answer. Here also A square minus 9 into 4A. You can write it as 4A into A square minus 9. No problem. You can do it in any way. Okay. Now, let us multiply these two. 4A into A square is 4A into A square minus 4A into 9. 4A into A square is 4A cube minus 4A into 9. 4A into 9 is 4 into 9. 4 into 9 is 36. You can directly write this as 36. Sorry. So it is 4 9s are 36A. Okay. Next, it is PQ plus QR plus RP into 0. You know that anything multiplied by 0 is 0 only. 0. Okay. Next. So as I have already told, second main is a table. So which I will send through WhatsApp. You need to complete the table in the classwork. Okay. Now let's consider. So we have three monomials, right? You should remember, you should recall the rules that are to be followed while multiplying algebraic expressions. Okay? You need to multiply the factor, the coefficients of each term, each monomial. Okay, here the a square we have. The coefficient of a square is 1. 1 only. It is 1. And here it is 2. Here it is 4. So you need to multiply 1 into 2 into 4. Then multiply the literal factors a square into a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. So while multiplying the monomials or by finding the product of monomials, you need to multiply their coefficients first and then the product of the literal factors. Now 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. It is 8. Here, you need to make use of the first law of exponents. Suppose we have a to the power m into a to the power n. Then what will we do? A to the power m plus n. So, similarly, a to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26. 26. That's equal to 8 into a to the power 22 plus 2 24. 24 plus 26 is 50 e to the power 50. I hope it is clear. Next. Here also you need to multiply their coefficients. That is 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. So these are the numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients. Okay. Numerical coefficients into the product of, here we have x and here x square, x into x square, because you can multiply the like terms. You can make use of the laws of exponents for the like terms, right? Then y into, that is same variables, y into y square, y square. Here you can simplify. You can simplify this. 2 ones are 2 fives are. 3 ones are 3 threes are. You have negative sign. So it is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 into x into x square is x cube. Y into y square is y cube. I hope it is clear, children. Next, third sum, minus 10 by 3p into q cube into 6 by 5 q p cube q. In the textbook, it is given as p cube q. It doesn't matter. They are one and the same. Now, minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 into p into p cube. P into p cube into q cube into q. So I have multiplied their coefficients and the same variables. Okay. Here also you can simplify. You can simplify. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 by 1. It is minus 4 only you can write, into p to the power e to the power m into e to the power n is e to the power m plus n. 1 plus 3 is 4 into q to the power 3 plus 1. It is 4. So it is q to the power 4. Next is x to the power 1. X means it is to the power 1. X to the power 1, x square, x cube, x to the power 4. So it is like a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So whatever may be the number of terms here, you have to follow this law. So it is x to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. It is x to the power 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Next, fourth main, simplify. Simplify. 4x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its values for x equals 3 and x equals half. So first let us simplify this. 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. This is a product of a monomial and a binomial. So it is 3x into 4x and 3x into minus 5. 3x into 4x minus 3x into 5. Since you have written minus here, there is no need to write this minus here. So this is one part plus 3. 3 into 4. Again, this is a product of two monomials. We need to multiply their coefficients. 3 into 4 is 12. X into x is x square minus 3x into 5 is 15x plus 3. So this is the product. This is the simplified form of the given expression. Okay. Now we have to find the values of these expressions at x equals 3 and half. At x equals 3, 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. 12 into 3 square is 9 minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So 12 nines are 108 plus 15 threes are, sorry, it is minus. It should be minus. Minus 45 plus 3. You add the like terms. 108 into 3 is 111 minus 45. Therefore, it is 11 minus 5 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 66. Now, let us calculate the same value at x is equal to half. X is equal to half. So, it is 12 into x square is half square minus 15 into half plus 3. This is 12 into half square. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. You can cancel here. You can cancel 4 ones are 4 threes are. It is 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. You need to take the LCM here. It is 2. 2 is the LCM. 2 is the LCM. Now 2, 1, 2s are 2. 2 by 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 2 ones are 2. 1 into 15 is 15 plus 2 by 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. So this is equal to 6 plus 6 is 12 minus 15. Minus 15 by 2. Okay. Hence it's equal to 12 minus 15 is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Next. Similarly, you need to simplify this and find the value of this expression at a equal to 0, a equal to 1 and a equal to minus 1. A into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. This is equal to a into a square is a cube plus a into a is a square plus a into 1 is a plus 5. So this is the expression. You need to find the value of this expression at different values. At a is equal to 0, it is 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5. It is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. It is 5 only. Next, at a equals 1, it is 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. So 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. Now let us find the value of this expression at a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 5. That's equal to minus 1 whole cube. Any negative integer raised to an odd power is negative. It is minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square, it is plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. That's equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. Therefore, the final answer is minus 1 will get cancelled with plus 1. It is plus 4. So thus you must be able to calculate the values. Next, fifth question. Add p into you have to find the product of this and then you have to add. So p into p minus q plus q into q minus r plus r into r minus p. Now, what is p into p minus q? It is p into p is p square minus p into q is pq. Okay. Plus q into q is q square minus q into r is qr. Next. Plus r into r is r square minus r into p is pr or rp. Okay. Therefore, their sum is, you can write their sum as p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus rp. Similarly, you have to add these two. 2x into 2x into z minus x minus y plus 2y into z minus y minus x. 2x into, here you have to multiply each factor here by 2x. 2x into z is 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. Okay. Plus 2y into z is 2yz minus 2y into y is minus 2y square minus 2xy minus 2xy. Now minus 2xy minus 2xy becomes minus 2xy. Correct. Minus 2xy and minus 2xy becomes minus 4xy. Minus 4xy. Therefore, the final answer is minus 2x square minus 2y square, okay, minus minus 2xy becomes minus 4xy plus 2yz plus 2xz or zx. Okay, next step. Subtract. So first you need to simplify these two expressions and then subtract the first expression from the second one. So now let us multiply this. 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n. 3 into l is l square minus 3 into okay, let me do it individually. Right. 3l into l minus 3l into 4m plus 3l into 5n. It is 3l square minus 3 fours are 12 into l into m plus 3 fives are 15 l into n. Okay, so this is the first expression. First expression. Now let us simplify the second expression. This expression. I'll write here 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. This is the sum. So I have to multiply 4l into 10m, sorry 10n it is, 10n, 10n minus 4l into 3m plus 4l into 2l. Okay. Now 4 tens are 40l into n minus 4 threes are 12l into m plus 4 twos are 8l square. Okay. Now you have to subtract this from this expression. So write the first expression, that is the from which you are going to subtract. 40ln minus 12lm plus 8l square. One more thing, while adding or subtracting, you have to write the like terms one below the other. Now 15ln, 15ln. Let me change the ink. Uh, 15l into n minus 12l into m plus 8l square. Okay. Now you are going to subtract. While subtracting, you need to change the sign of each term of the subtrahend. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. Now 40 ln minus 15 ln is ln you need to write. You have to find the difference of their coefficients only. Okay. So it is 25 and the greater number has positive sign. So you will get plus 25 ln, 25 ln. Okay, and minus 12lm and plus 12lm. After changing the sign, you should not take this. We should take this. So minus and plus will get cancelled. Plus, here it is. Sorry, here it should be a 3l square. Just a minute. It is 3l square. 3l square. Then you will get 8 minus 3 is 5 plus 5l square. So therefore the answer is 5l square plus 25l into n. So this is the final answer. Now subtract this from 4c into, okay. Now let us find out. 3 I'll do directly. 3a into a is a square plus 3a into b is 3ab minus 3a into c is minus 3ac. Okay, minus 2b into a is 2ab, minus of minus it is plus 2b square, minus of plus is minus 2bc. Let's simplify this. Okay, it is 3a square plus 2b square. 3a square is over, 2b square is over, plus 3ab minus 2ab is plus ab, minus 3ac minus 2bc. So this is the first term. So this is to be subtracted from this. Okay. Now 4c into minus a plus b minus c is equal to, here first term only minus, so minus 4ca plus of plus is plus 4cb minus 4c square. Okay. Now let us find the difference of these two. So it is minus 4ca plus 4bc or cb minus 4c square. So from this you have to subtract this. So 3a square, we don't have that term. Ca term is there? Yes, it is minus 3ca or ac, minus 3 ac. Then minus 2bc, c square term is not there. ab term is also not there. So plus 3a square plus 2b square plus ab. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the terms I have written. Okay. Now you have to find the difference of these two. You know that you have to change the sign of each term of the subtrahend, isn't it? So it is plus, and this is minus, minus. So minus 4ca and plus 3ca will give you minus 3ac. Just check once. Let me check. Three into a plus b. Sorry children, here I have written the sum itself wrong. Just a minute. This should be plus. Plus c is there. Plus c. Then what happens? This becomes plus 3ac. Right? Here it is plus 3ac and this becomes minus. And this term becomes minus. Now minus 4ca minus 3ca is minus 7ca. Okay, 7ca or ac, it is one and the same. Then plus 4bc plus 2bc is plus 6bc and minus 4c square. It should be plus 4c into Yes, let me check. It is here also, it is plus only. It is given as plus C only. Plus, it is plus C. It is plus C. Then it will be plus 4C square. Here also plus 4C square. Plus 4C square. Then minus 3A square minus 2B square minus AB. Minus AB. So this is the difference. I think it is clear. Okay, children, let me stop here. I'll continue in the next class. You need to write, I'll send the PDF. You need to write all, you need to do all these sums in your class work only. Thank you.